Hello and welcome to Uncle Maths Online Academy. Today we want to learn about binary, and we're going to learn the following: the meaning of binary, how to identify binary or base 2. Binary is also called base 2, and we also learn how to convert base 10 to base 2, then how to convert base 2 to base 10, and how to do addition in base 2, and finally how to do subtraction in base 2. Now, what is binary? Binary is a way of reading that we use only two figures, 0 and 1. Look at this picture here. This represents binary, a counting that we use only two figures, 0 and 1. You know that in our normal counting, our normal 1, 2, 3 or figures, we call it base 10. Base 10. But in base 2 or binary, we have only two numbers that we use in counting. In base 10 we have 10 numbers, while in base 2 we have two numbers that we use in counting. For instance, in our base 10 we have from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you count this is 10 digits or 10 figures. These 10 figures are what we use in our normal figure, in our normal counting. So the number you count every day is always in base 10. For other reasons, mathematicians, they need base 2 and other bases depending on what they want to do. Sometimes base 10 is not needed for some maths that we want to solve. There are some things we want to do and we have to convert anything we have to base 2. The base 2 has 0 and 1. It contains only two numbers, 0 and 1. When you hear about base 2, what should come to your mind is bicycle. Bicycle has only two wheels, so base 2 has two numbers or two figures in it, 0 and 1. If it contains any other number apart from 0 and 1, or 0 or 1, then it is not a binary. Examples of binary are these ones listed here. 101 is a binary, 111 is a binary, 110 is a binary, 101 10 is a binary, 111011 is a binary also. To write a binary, we write the figures, that is 1 and 0s, and then we put the base, that is 2, under it. A base is a number that is written under another number, while a power is the one that is written on top of it. A base is the one that is written under the number. For instance, if we have 7 and we write something on top of it as 7, maybe we have 3 here and we have 2 here. The 3 here is called a power or power of this 7, while 2 that is written under is called the base. So the one on top is power and the one below is called base. So all the bases, they are written below. If you have base 1, base 2, you write it under it. If you have base 3, you write it. It is only base 10 that we don't write because base 10 is common. So when we have base 10, we just leave the number that way. That is why we leave our natural numbers the way they are. So if you want to write your 20, you write your 20 without putting the base. But if you want to write any number in base 2, you must write 2 to indicate that the number is in base 2. If you want to write in base 3, you must also indicate the number by putting 3 as a base. Now let's look at how to count from 1 to 10 in base 2. 1 to 10 in base 2. Now this is 1 to 10 in base 2. 0, everything will normally start from 0. 0 is always 0 in base 2. 1 is 1 also in base 2. Y2 is 1 0 in base 2. 3 is 1 1 in base 2. 4 is 1 0 0 in base 2. 5 is 1 0 1 in base 2. 6 is 1 1 0 in base 2. 7 is 1 1 1 in base 2. 8 is 1 0 0 0 in base 2. And 9 is 1 0 0 0 1 in base 2. 10 is 1 0 1 0 in base 2. Now you would have noticed that the way I call these numbers in base 2, that I call the numbers or the digits separately. In base 10, we can have 20, 30, 40, but in base 2, we have to call all the numbers separately. 1 0, you cannot say that it is 10. It is not 10. We call it 1 0. The one that is 1 0 0, you cannot say that it is 100 in base 2. You call it 1 0 0. The one that is 1 0 0 0, you cannot say that it is 1000. You call it 1 0 0 0. So all the numbers, all the digits in base 2, you must pronounce them one by one. So we have 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1, 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0. These are the numbers from 1 to 10 in base 2. Now I say that base 2 contains only 1 and 0. Now that means that if you see any number or any digits apart from 1 or 0 in a number, it is not a base 2. For instance, if you have 1 0 2, this is not base 2. This cannot be in base 2 because it contains 2. Base 2 cannot contain 2. It cannot contain anything apart from 1 and 0. So these are the only things that are allowed in base 2. So if you have 1 1 3, this cannot be in base 2 because of this 3. It has something else apart from 1 and 0. If you have 1 0 5, this cannot be in base 2 because of this 5. It can only contain 1 and 0 in base 2. So this is how to identify base 2. And another thing is that if you write a number in base 2, you must put the base, that is 2, to show that it is in base 2. You either write the base in words or you write it in figure. You write it either in words or you write in figures. Now, for instance, these ones, 1 1 0, 1 0 1, you put the base under it. You write 2 under it, or you write TWO, that is, you write it in word or you write it in figure, but put it as a base in the number. If you leave it as 1, if you write, for instance, 1 0, and without writing any base, without putting 2 there, it means 10. But if you put 2, then it is no longer 10, it is now 10 in base 2. If you write 100 without putting 2, it is not in base 2, it is 100. But if you put 2, it becomes 100 in base 2. So to show base 2 and to make it different from other bases, you must always put 2 in words or in figure to the number that you are writing in base 2 or in binary. So this is what you have in this class, and I believe that this lesson is very clear. Thank you.